Maths. This is a revision session of chapter 1, 5 and 6. So children, whatever difficulties you have dropped me by WhatsApp, alright, I'm going to solve it. But one thing I would like to say, yes, this question is asked by Drashti. It's assignment question number 19. Now Drashti, this is solved and you have the video of it. So, well, since you have asked, I'm going to solve it. But all the students, be careful. Those questions which are already explained in the video, please don't ask them. You can see the video, alright? Because, children, the thing is, this sum, it will be a waste of time and energy for me as well as those who knows it, correct? So only those which are difficult, and even after watching the explanation in the video, if you have not understood, you are most welcome to ask, okay? However, having been asked, I am going to solve it, alright? Fine. So what is the statement? If a point B lies between A and C such that AB equal to BC, then prove that AB is equal to half of AC. There is a point B lying between A and C. So let me draw a line first. Is that okay? This is one line. B lies between A and C. So B is here between A and C such that AB is equal to BC. So AB is equal to BC. See how I am writing that symbolically. Alright? And you have to prove AB, this AB, that is so much, this is equal to half of AC, that is the whole thing, this AC. Correct? Alright. Data and to prove, I am not writing. I'll straight away write proof, children. Very honestly, let me tell you, your revision session will not be as good as the normal teaching that you have seen in the video. Here will be a little bit fast and thick. Okay? So, yes, if you are watching this revision session, it is very much important that you have watched the videos, okay, which I have taught, matlab the chapter which I have taught to you. Okay. Proof. Now look here. B lies between A and C. So what you have? A dash, B dash, C. B is lying between A and C by data. Correct? Call it result number 1. So what you get? AB plus, okay, I'll write this also. AB is equal, okay, that first let me write. AB is equal to BC. And this combiningly by data, I'm calling it result 1. Therefore, since A dash, B dash, C you have, AB plus BC, this AB plus BC is equal to AC, is equal to AC. That is by definition of betweenness, alright, by the concept of betweenness. Now look here, you need AB, correct? You need AB, alright? So AB ko rakhna hai. You need AC, so you'll have to keep AC also. We don't want BC. So here you get, in place of BC put AB. Therefore, AB plus, now it's time to write BC, but I'm going to substitute BC as AB is equal to AC by 1. Now AB plus AB is 2 times AB, that is equal to AC. Taking 2 on other side, so AB is equal to AC divided by 2, i.e. AB is equal to half of AC. Proved? So understood? Alright. So moving further to your difficulties, and it is this one. This is asked by Harith. You can see here from assignment question number 15, 16, 17 and 18. Harith, once again I would like to say, all these are solved in the videos. So why can't you see the videos? Well, if you have not understood that, definitely you can call me and talk to me about it. Alright? Okay? Once again, since you have asked as a difficulty and I have promised to solve it. It's my duty to solve it, so I'm going for it. Okay? Express in the form, the question is, express in the form of P upon Q, or P upon Q form. Okay, 15th one. Alright, I'm going to say that value as x. Let x is equal to 0.1 bar, i.e. x is equal to 0.111 dot dot dot. Correct? Alright, now how many digits are recurring? Number of digits I'm asking. 1. Okay, so you multiply 10 on both sides. So multiplying 10 with x gives us 10x, and multiplying 0.111 dot 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 by 10 gives you one digit will shift. This decimal will shift one digit to the right. So it becomes 1.11 dot dot dot. Okay, alright, fine. Now this I'm going to call it 1. By 1 it follows that. ये दोनों को साथ में. By 1 it follows that. क्या? Euclid's property. 10x minus 9x. 10x minus 1x is equal to 1.11 dot 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 minus 0.111 dot dot dot. Let me subtract that. 1.1 dot dot dot. Point below point, then 1 1 1 0. यहाँ भी 1 होगा, you know that, dot 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 0 0 0 and 1. So that is equal to 1 right hand side, and this gives me 9x. Therefore x is equal to 1 upon 9, i.e. हमने x किसे कहा है? 0.1 is equal to 1 upon 9. So you have expressed 0.1 in the form P upon Q. Is that clear to you? Alright. In the same manner you can solve the other one. Okay. This one, 16th. Let me say small a is equal to 0.385 bar. Alright. Okay. Now, i.e. that means a is equal to 0.385. 3 digits are recurring, and I'm going to write 2 times 385 dot dot dot. You can write as many number of times you want, 385, 385, 385, 385. Okay, but I'll be writing double time. Okay, how many digits are recurring? Bar के नीचे कितने digits है? 385. So 3 digits are recurring. So multiplying 1000. If 3 digits are recurring, you have to multiply 1000. If 1 digit is recurring, you have to multiply 10. So what if 2 digits are recurring? Yes, multiply by 100. So if you multiply 1 by 1000, it is 1000a is equal to, and this will move 3 digits to the right. So you will have 385, उसके बाद point आएगा, and then 385. डबल बार आपको लिखना है फिर से, क्योंकि point के बाद डबल बार होना चाहिए. Okay, dot dot dot. And this combiningly I'm going to call it result 1. By 1 it follows that. By 1 it follows that. We are using Euclid's property, children. ये 1000a minus 1a is equal to, ये सीधा कर देते हैं, this minus this, it is 385.385 dot dot dot. Point के नीचे point पहले, okay, उसके आगे 0 है, और उसके बाद 385 dot dot dot. This will be 0 0 0 0 0, correct? 0, and this will be 5 point 5 8 and 3. Fine. So that is 385. Therefore 1000a minus 1a is 999a is equal to 385, i.e. yeah, you may say therefore a is equal to 385 upon 999. Children, if you can reduce and if it is within your reach, go for it. Alright, now you know this is multiple by 3. Now 11 plus 3, sorry, 8 plus 3 is 11 plus 5 16, which is not a multiple of 3. So this cannot be reduced. It is already in its reduced form. I.e. what is A? A को हमने क्या कहा है? 0.385 bar. That is equal to 385 upon 999. So here we have represented this in the form P upon Q. Got it? All right, children? Fine. So this too you can do it yourself. Okay? Or let me do the 18th one. Okay? Let. This is 18th one. Let. I'll be writing directly. 1.27 bar is equal. Let A is equal to. Therefore, A is equal to 1.2727. 2 बार 2 digits are recurring. Okay? Alright. So, multiplying 100. So, 100A is equal to, ये 2 digit right में चला जाएगा. 127.27. 0.27 2 बार होना चाहिए. Dot dot dot. Okay, this is 1 by 1. I'm writing directly. ये 100A minus 1A is 99A. Or this minus this gives me 126. That implies A is equal to 126 upon 99. इस बार 9 से दोनों divisible है. 9 11 जा 9 1 जा 9 3 9 4 जा. So that is equal to 14 upon 11. Is that clear to you, children? Okay. आगे बढ़ते हैं. So difficulties continues with Harriet. All right. Assignment 1.2, question number 26, 27, 28, 29, 30. This also, okay, these questions are new, but similar type of questions are solved in the video. If you would have attempted, you could have got it. Anyway, 26. Root 7 plus 5 into root 7 minus 5. Children, this is simply A plus B into A minus B expansion, which is A square minus B square. वही expansion है, सादा simple. So we can write first term square minus second term square. A square minus B square. A क्या है? root 7. B क्या है? 5. Root 7 square is 7 or 5 square is 25. Now 7 minus 25 is not possible. So 25 minus 7, 18. And greater number is minus. So the simplification is minus 18. Clear? Chaliye. 27th one. That is different. 2 root 3 plus 1 into root 5 minus root 3. ये expansion ऐसा है. All 4 terms are different. ये binomial के 2 term, ये binomial के 2 term, all 4 terms are different. So it is somewhat like this. A plus B into C plus D. How do you expand? ये जो first term है A, multiply with second binomial. फिर second term है B. So plus B है तो plus B into C plus D. So apply this expansion rule. So we'll do that. First term क्या है? 2 root 3. और second binomial क्या है? root 5 minus root 3. Then we come to the first term. Sorry, second term of the first binomial. वो plus 1 है और into ये root 5 minus root 3. Alright. So now what will happen? Expand करो monomial into binomial. 2 root 3 into root 5. 3 5s are 15 minus 2 root 3 or root 3 into root 3 is 3. Correct? Plus 1 into root 5 is root 5 minus 1 into root 3 is root 3. Alright? So that is equal to 2 root 15 minus this is 6 plus root 5 minus root 3. There 4 terms are there and none of the terms are like terms. So further simplification is not possible and this is going to be the answer. Simplified. Okay. This will be the simplified form of it. So moving on to the next one. That is number 28. Well, root 11 plus 2 into root 11 minus 5. First term is same. Okay, you can expand in this way only. Because, yeah, first term is same, but second term are not opposite like plus B or minus B nahi hai. Ye plus 2 or minus 5 hai. They are different. So you can solve in this way. There is another method as well, but best you can solve this way. Okay. How? Root 11 into second binomial. Root 11 minus 5. फिर है plus 2 into root 11 minus 5. That is equal to. Now root 11 into root 11 is 11. Root 11 into 5 is 5 root 11 with different sign. So minus 2 root 11 with plus sign. or 2 5s are 10 with minus sign. Here you have a pair of like terms and another pair of like terms. 11 minus 10 is 1 और बड़ा नंबर प्लस 11, so plus 1. ये भी like terms, minus 5 plus 3 plus 2, different sign, so it will be 3 root 11 और बड़ा नंबर नेगेटिव है, so minus. So that is the simplification. Is that clear to you? Okay. 29th one now. 29th. 3 root 2 minus 5 into 3 root 2 minus 5. Children, first term are same. Second term are also same. So both the brackets are same. So both binomials are same. So you can say square of binomial. 3 root 3 minus 5. And what is the identity? Square of binomial की identity क्या है? A minus B whole square, that is A square minus 2AB plus B square. So apply that here. First term square, that is 3 root 3 minus 2 into first term 3 root 3 into 5 plus second term square, that is 5 square. बोलो 3 का square 9 into root 3 का square 3 minus, this is 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30 root 3 plus 5 square, that is 25. So this is 27 minus 30 root 3 plus 25. Here you have a pair of like terms. 27 plus 25 is 52 minus 30 root 3. So that will be the simplification of what? The number 29. Now it's number 30, children. That is little bit different. Root 8 plus 3 into root 2 minus 7. Children, root 8 can be simplified. Find the prime factors. 2 8, 2 4s are 2 2s are 2 1s are. So एक 2 बाहर निकलेगा, 2 बाहर और एक रूट में रहेगा, प्लस 3 into 2 minus 3. Alright? अब वही all 4 terms are different. 2 root 2 into root 2 minus 7. आगे है प्लस 3 into root 2 minus 7. चलिए, root 2 into root 2 is 2 and 2 into 2 is 4 minus 7 2s are 14 root 2. This plus 3 root 2 minus 21. Now 4 minus 21 is minus 17 or minus 14 plus 3 is minus 11 root 2. This is the simplification. Got it, children? Okay. Difficulties continue for Harriet. Here it is now. Assignment 1.2, question number 34, 35, 36, 37. All right. 34. Rationalize. 34. Rationalize the denominator. 3 root 2 plus 4. That is equal to 1 upon 3 root 2 plus 4. आपको डिनोमिनेटर से रूट निकालना है. You want to remove this root from the denominator. Denominator is binomial of the form a plus b. a plus b फॉर्म हो तो उसका रेशनलाइजिंग फैक्टर है a minus b. So I'm going to multiply and divide. 3 root 2 minus 4. 3 root 2 minus 4. Actually this is 1. Okay. चलिए. So numerator में 1 into 3 root 2 minus 4 will remain as it is. और ये a plus b into a minus b का expansion, which is a square minus b square. So a square minus b square, that is 3 root 2 or 4. Alright, that is equal to 3 root 2 minus 4 upon 3 का square 9 और root 2 का square 2. 2 9s are 18 minus 4 square 16. Alright, and that is equal to 3 root 2 minus 4 upon 2. Finished. This is the answer. Alright, chaliye. Now we move on to 35th question. Simplify. 5 raised to 2 upon 7 into 5 raised to 3 upon 7. Children, the law of multiplication of powers, x raised to m into x raised to n. Multiplication of powers with same base x. According to the rule, we write the base or exponent में m plus n. So apply that 5 is the like base, alright, or 2 upon 7 plus 3 upon 7. ये तो अच्छा है, साइड पे कर दो. 2 upon 7 plus 3 upon 7. Like denominator, so 7 2 plus 3, that is 5. So I raised to 5 upon 7. That is the simplified form. Okay. Moving to the next one. 36. 9 upon 3 to third power whole raised to 6. This is power of power. So, sorry, it is only 9. Huh? 9 to third power of 9. Alright. So 9 raised to 2/3 multiplied by 6. Right? A raised to m whole raised to n is a raised to m multiplied by n. Power of power. 3 1s are 3 2s are. So what you got? That is equal to 9 raised to 4. Children, this 9 is composite number. So uske prime factors milte hai. 3 3s are 3 1s are. So you can write 3 square. 3 square whole raised to 4. Again power of power. 3 raised to 2 multiplied by 4 and that is 3 raised to 8. Fine. This is the simplified form of second one. Clear to you? Let's move on to the 37, the third one. Alright. 11 raised to 2/3 upon 11 raised to 2/3. Array, this is division of power. A raised to m upon a raised to n. According to the law, bases are same, then only you can apply. M minus n. So that is 11 raised to 2/3 minus 2/3. अरे ये तो opposite ही है. So 11 raised to 0. 11 raised to 0. And anything raised to 0 is 1. So that is its simplified form. I hope you understood. Harriet, be careful. If you have not watched this in the video, please don't. It's a request. Don't ask this type of questions as difficulties. You see the video and then if you ask, it's fine. But if the questions are solved already in the video and still if you have difficulty, you have to call me and tell me. Okay? Fine. That's all for today's session. Whatever difficulties I was asked to solve, I've done it. So we meet in the next session. Till then, goodbye. Children, it's a revision session. So next session also is going to be revision session. Alright, bye-bye.